Hi, I'm Andy from Autodesk Navisworks. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create intelligent groups of objects. This makes it easier to review and analyze your project at each stage and can save you a lot of time. I'll start by selecting an item on the model. If I select this section of glass, then look at the properties, you can see that the item name is glazed. Let's use this property to define a search condition for all glazing. Now I'll open the Find Items window. I'm going to use the Find Items tool to search for items with common properties. You can search by lots of different criteria, but here I'm going to select Item as the category, Name as the property, put in a condition of Contains, because I'm not looking for an exact match. For that I'd select the equals sign, and in the Value field I type Glazed. I'll uncheck the Match Case option, as I'm not sure if all the items have been spelt with an uppercase G. Now I just click Find All, and look, all items fitting my search criteria are selected in the scene view. And the Properties window shows the number of items currently selected. If I check the model now, it looks to me as though not all of the windows have been selected. If I look at the properties, I can see that it contains glass, but it has been given a different item name. OK, no problem. I'll just extend the search to include all items with glass as a material. My previous search is still in the Find Items window, so I'll just add in new values to search on the material. Now by default, Autodesk Navisworks will search for items containing both of these conditions, so I can right-click on the lower search condition and select Or Condition. And now, when I click Find All again, you can see that all of the glass has been selected. Great! Now that I've defined a search and found the items I want to group together, I can save the items as either a selection set or a search set. I'll opt for a search set, as a search set is dynamic, so it will save me a lot of time as my project files are continuing to be updated and revised. I just open the Sets window, right-click and select Add Current Search, choose a suitable name and press Enter. Now I can use this search set in future to make sure that I know of changes to the model and even export sets and use them on other models. And look, here's an XML file made up of search sets I created previously. And there's our search set up at the top. If I want the sets to be available to everyone who reviews this project, then I just save the project NWF file and all the search sets are stored there. So now that you know how to create and save search sets, why not try it yourself with some of your own projects? Thanks for watching.